So here's the hole, guys, right here. That little tiny crease right there where the light is, that's where the little hole is. Alright, so let's patch this thing up. What I do to patch this is make sure it's real dry, obviously. You can see here where the rubber starts to wear over time. See the different color? That's just the rubber getting a little thin in some of these different places. You can see where it's kind of discolored. But let's fix this. So what I got to fix this is just a, look at, just two little, it's from Park Tool. You can get them anywhere. I think Specialized makes one. It's a pre-glued patch. Okay. And so then I'm just gonna see that where that hole is. Right square over it. And then let that thing just lay on there nice and evenly, no bubbles. That's why we want to push against the back of the cell to get a nice flush fit against there. Now, we want the whole patch to turn black, basically. The whole thing should be like the same color as the cushion. That's how we know we're getting a good seal on the patch. See how that sort of turns black, and now the whole patch looks like it's sort of just a part of the cushion. And that's what we want right there. Alright, so we should be all good to go, guys. A little square there, but that should be fine. All done. Got the patch on, got the cover on here. It was on the front left-hand side of the cushion, right on this second row of cells here, on this front left one right here. And you can kind of see where the patch is. Cool, right? No big deal. Easy fix. Got the cover back on, and I'm stoked, ready to go. Like new. All right, gang. Have a good one. Thanks for tuning in.